Hello, Dad, it's good to see you. I have graduated from college now and have a good job.
Hi, son, it is good to see you too. What kind of job did you get?
I'm an art director.
An art director. What does an art director do?
Well, let me show you. I do advertising. For example, I did this ad for a popular restaurant chain.
Wow, that is nice. So you took the photo?
No, a food photographer took the photo.
Did you cook the steak?
No, a food stylist cooked the steak. Actually, it isn't really cooked, just seared.
You are the one that made it look so delicious?
No, a Photoshop artist did that and made the steak look perfect.
Did you print this ad?
No, a printer printed the ad for the magazine.
Ah, I see you put the ad in the magazine?
No, a media buyer bought the space in the ad and placed the ad in the magazine.
So you wrote the headline?
No, a copywriter wrote the headline and all of the other words as well.
Well then, what did you do again?
I did the ad. It was my idea for the ad to be the way it is.
It was your idea to take a picture of a steak?
No, that was the client's idea.
I see. You worked with the client for the ad?
No, the creative director and the account executive worked with the client.
I see. So you told them how big to make the steak, and that it should be a steak?
No, an account planner told me how big the steak should be, and that we were selling steak.
So you are selling the steak?
No, the ad is selling the steak. I was the art director.
Did the ad sell lots of steaks?
Yes, it did sell lots of steaks. This ad won many awards, such as a golden pencil.
Wow. Did you get the golden pencil? Is it really gold?
No, the agency gets the golden pencil. It's just gold-plated, or plated with something that looks like gold.
So tell me again what you did for this ad?
I was the art director.
So you directed the art.
Yes.
It's good to see you, son. I'm still not sure what you do, but I'm glad you have a job.